Test 1, 2, 3. Good. Abhi Bothakor signing on. It is now 8:04 p.m. on 24th of May 2021. There is a lockdown, kind of. From 12 noon. Curfew. All lies. Mittha meva jayate. Isn't it? Who can make this country Bharatvarsh? Who can make it? Satya meva jayate. Nobody. Nobody can make this Bharatvarsh or the Vishwa, the world. Satya meva jayate. The truth always wins. Who can make it? Only me, myself, and I. Your vowels A, E, I, O, U, Om. It is very hot today. AC is running at full blast, 34 degrees centigrade. Almost 92, 93 degree Fahrenheit. So, hey, whites! Whites are the only problem making the Mittha meva jayate. Mittha meva jayate. Who did that? The whites. Isn't it? Actually, my studio is very nice right now because there is not a single car flying and making noise. And I can speak and you can hear. Yes, go. Cigarette শুকুৰবাৰে আনবি শুকুৰবাৰে নহয় বৃহস্পতিবাৰে আনবি ঠিক আছে মই ভিডিঅ' কৰি আছো দেখছ এতিয়া থ মই কথা পাতো কেমেৰা আগত আছো ই সুধিছে সিগাৰেট লাগিব নেকি মই কৈছো আছে থাৰ্সডেতে লৈ আহিবি সি মেঘালয়ৰ পৰা লৈ আহিব মেঘালয় ইয়াতে দাম বেছি মেঘালয়ত সস্তা नमामि शमीशान निर्वाण रूपम विभुं व्यापकं ब्रह्म वेद स्वरूपम निजं निर्गुणं निर्विकल्पं निरीहं सिदाकाशमाकाशवासं भजेऽहं निराकार ओंकार मूलं तुरीयं विरगान गोतीतमीशं गिरीशं करालं महाकाल कालं कृपालं गुनागार संसार पारं नतोऽहम् तुषाराद्रिशङ्काशगौरं गभीरं मनोभूतकोटि प्रभाश्री शरीरम् स्फुरन्मौलिकल्लोलिनी चारुगङ्गालचद् बालबालेन्दुकन्थे भुजङ्गा चलत्कोद्रलम्भूसुनेत्रं विशालं प्रसन्नानुन्नीलकण्ठं दयालम् मृगाधीशचर्माम्बरं मुन्दमालं प्रियं शङ्करं सर्वनाथं भजामि प्रचण्डं प्रकृष्टं प्रगल्भं परेशम् अखण्डं अजं भानुकोटिप्रकाशम् त्रयशूलनिर्मूलनवशूलपाणिं भजेऽहं भवानी पथिं भावगम्यम् कलातीतकल्याणकल्पन्तकारी सदा सत्सदानन्ददाता पुरारी सिदानन्द सन्दोह मोह पारी प्रसीद प्रसीद प्रभु मन्मतारी नापद उमानाथ पदारविन्दं भजन्ति अलोके परे वानरानं त्वत् सुखं शान्ति संतापनाशं प्रसीद प्रभु सर्वभूतादि वासम् न जनवियुगं जपं नैव पूजं नतोऽहं सदा सर्वदा संबतोभ्यम् जरा जन्म दुःखो ददुद्यामलम् प्रभो पाह्यापन्नमामि स्वयंभू 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 देखने में लिए चाणक्य जैसा हूं है ना Chanakya never became a king. He was the king's advisor. But guess what? This time, this Chanakya avatar, who is nothing but the truth, A-E-I-O-U, the vowels, my, I, my, Om, will take over the Bharat Bars and the entire world. The capital will be in the Haranya Pahar, on the White House. You forget the White House in Washington DC. Look for the White House in Guwahati. Ahomonia, Assam, Ahom, which has no comparison of whatsoever in entire Trilok. So I will be the fucking king. I will rule for 20 years. Then I give the kingdom to my son, Manav, Manusha. Because I am Deva. I am the Devaki Dev Mahadev. I do not have to rule it for a long time. I do not want to. Because this flat earth belongs to human, man, Manav. So your next king after me will be Manav Nava Bharathakur. That means a new man, Bharathakur, the Thakur ka Bara, the king of the Thakur, who cooks your dinner, right? Who knows what you need to eat, what you do not need to eat. Go check my first few sentences on bharathakur.com. That's the message my son will propagate. His son will also rule next time. मेरा पोता करेगा राज यहां मैं पोता का पोता भी राज करेगा मैं करूंगा मेरा बेटा करेगा मेरा पोता करेगा मेरा पोता का पोता भी करेगा राज विश्व में अमेरिका स्विट्जरलैंड है चाइना रशिया साउथ अमेरिका नॉर्थ अमेरिका द कैपिटल इज गुवाहाटी प्राग ज्योतिषपुर Mark my word. Oh, you are wearing a mask, isn't it? So how can you leave me be live with me? No. मैं समय हूं समय का साथ चलो और जो आता है वही ले लो পরিবর্তনের সংসাৰৰ নিয়ম flow with the changes in your spirituality on your surroundings. Watch and follow it. अंधाधुन बहते हो ना क्योंकि तुम मनुष्य हो मैं मुनि हूं मुनि सब पता है मेरे को I know everything that I need to know basis. Two things that I left behind, my memory and my Trishul. This thing running at full blast, but it's still, I'm sweating. Na 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 ne ne na na ne. Ponsam. He doesn't have any voice cut, Saka. His name is Ponsam. You know what Ponsam is? Brahma has 5 faces. Pity. The 5th one, I chopped it off. The 5th mouth of Brahma. Brahmar Ponsam kon mukh moi kati pelaisilu. Aru khaitue hol etu. Hunil na ki kaise? Did you hear what he was singing? The cocksucker, he screwed up the music. Namami Shamishan. That's the kind of music I like to hear. Happy. কিয় বন্ধ হৈ থাকিল যে কিবা এটা বজাবলৈ ওলাইছিলো বন্ধ হৈ থাকিলে নাবাজিলে নাই ইয়াপাটো বজাব পাৰো নে নোৱাৰো অসমীয়াই ৰে লালিতা পালিতা মই তুলনীয়া জি অসমের সন্মান সদায়ে গা ধুৱাইলো ফটো তিলকটো নোহোৱা হৈ গ'ল তথাপি কিন্তু তিলকৰ এটা চিন আছে নাই চিন এটা আছে নাই চিন এটা আছে দেখিছেনে বডিত মহাদেৱটো বহি আছো ইয়াতে বডিটো নাৰায়ণ বহি থকাটো your vowels A E I O U মিঠা পানী টুপি পি গৰমটো বহুত পৰিছে বুধবাৰলৈ এটা ডাঙৰ ধুমুহা আহি আছে কলিকতাৰ ওপৰেদি যোৱাটো মই বিচাৰো ধানবাদৰ ওপৰেদি গৈ লাভ নাই কলিকতাৰ ওপৰেদি যোৱা বিচাৰো I need it to go over Kolkata Bengali mar Bengali sala kill the fucking Bengali who used to go do Durga 1 2 3 okay the power suddenly went off when I talked about the Bengali doing Durga Puja gakhir kheruwa oi let me ask you something you want something from your mother put you in the belly for 10 months give you all nice things whatever you need to survive for 100 years But still, you're looking from her. What else? What else you need from your mother? She gave you everything. Oh, Rupam Dehi, Jayang Dehi, Jasodehi, Jishodehi. But that also you do it in the month of October, September, October, November. When she was sleeping. You're supposed to do it in the month of April. Bahanti Puja. But you're not doing it. Bahanta Utsav, you're not doing it. You are waking her up and suck her booby at the time. No, it's not happening. That's why I said that big storm should go over Kolkata and destroy all the fucking Bengali. Kemon acho Bengali? Tumar maar bubu ar lage nake kapot porcho ki nai. You are putting a mask on your fucking face. Do you believe in your mother? No, you don't. You do not believe your mother. If you believe your mother, you will not be wearing a mask. She has given you a nose with some, hair inside so that any dust particle comes in, the things get captured. That's who gave you? Your mother. So appreciate your mother and say thank you. Do not have to do a puja on month of September, October, November. September, October. When she was sleeping, when the sun is Dakshinayan. She wakes up in the morning in April. Do the appreciation there. Bahanti puja. You satanic Bengali. हाँ बंगाली साला बंगाल हरामजादा बंगाल छुटकी मास खा प्यारा खा झाल मुड़ी खा केला भात खाबले नाय you satanic बंगाली केला now seek the father not your mummy. Mommy has given you everything. Now get the knowledge. The earth is flat. It's not a fucking spinning ball. Silver is money. Democracy is fake. That's why I am going to be the fucking king of yours. Do you think I'm going to give the kingdom to somebody else? No, because I know all of you. You are all satanic, demonic entity. Gita or Die 16. Let's play Gita or Die 16. Can I play it? Huh? Can I play it? Alright, Gita 16, chapter 16. Oh, you don't know what is, you do not comprehend Sanskrit. Okay? You don't. I am saying it. You go to all the mandir, put bilbapatra, put water. If he says anything, woo, he doesn't say nothing. I say it. My hoka say it. Listen, Listen, S-I-L-E-N-T. So be silent and listen, cocksucker.
दैवो विस्तरशः प्रोक्तः आसुरं पार्थ मे शृणु प्रवृत्तिं च निवृत्तिं च जनान विदुरासुराः न शौचं नापि चाचारः न सत्यं तेषु विद्यते असत्यमप्रतिष्ठन्ते जगदाहुरणीश्वरम् अपरस्परसम्भूतम् किमन्यत्कामहेतुकम् एतां दृष्टिमवष्टभ्य कष्टात्मानोऽल्पबुद्धयः प्रभवन्त्युग्रकर्माणः क्षयाय जगतो हिताः काममाश्रित्य दुष्पूरम् दम्भमानमदान्विताः मोहात् गृहीत्वा सद्ग्राहान् प्रवर्तन्ते शुचिव्रताः चिन्तामपरिमेयाञ्च प्रलयान्तामुपाश्रिताः कामोपभोगपरमाः एतावदिति निश्चिताः आशापाशशतैर्बद्धाः कामक्रोधपरायणाः ईहन्ते कामभोगार्थम् अन्यायेनार्थसञ्चयान् इदमद्य मया लब्धम् इमम् प्राप्स्ये मनोरथम् इदमस्तीदमपि मे भविष्यति पुनर्धनम् असौ मया हतः शत्रुः हनिष्ये चापदानपि ईश्वरोऽहमहम् भोगी सिद्धोऽहम् बलवान् सुखी आज्ञोऽभिजनवानस्मि पुण्योऽस्ति सदृशो मया यक्षेदास्याविमोदिष्ये नित्यज्ञानविमोहिताः अनेकचित्तविभ्रान्ताः मोहजालसमावृताः प्रसक्ताः कामभोगेषु पतन्ति नरकेषु आत्मसम्भाविताः स्तब्धाः धनमानमदान्विताः यजन्ते नाम यज्ञैस्ते दम्भेनामिति पूर्वकम् अहङ्कारम् बलम् दर्पम् कामम् क्रोधम् च संश्रिताः मामात्मपरदेहेषु तद्विषन्तोऽप्यसूयकाः तानहम् द्विषतः क्रूरान् संसारेषु नराधमान् क्षिपाम्यजस्तमशुभान् आसुरीष्वेव योनिषु आसुरीम् योनिमापन्नाः मूढा जन्मनि जन्मनि मामप्राप्यैव कौन्तेय ततो यान्त्यथमाम् गतिम् त्रिविधम् नरकस्येदम् द्वारम् नाशनमात्मनः कामः क्रोधस्तथा लोभः तस्मादेतत्रयम् त्यजेत् एतैर्विमुक्तः कौन्तेय तमोद्वारैस्त्रिभिर्नरः आचरत्यात्मनः श्रेयः ततो याति पराम् गतिम् यश्शास्त्रविधिमुत्सृज्य वर्तते कामकारतः न स सिद्धिमवाप्नोति न सुखम् न पराम् गतिम् तस्मात् शास्त्रम् प्रमाणन्ते कार्याकार्यम् व्यवस्थितौ ज्ञात्वा शास्त्रविधानोक्तम् कर्म कर्तुमिहार्हसि।
ॐ तत्सदा मद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे शास्त्रपञ्चमपादे
दैवासुरसम्पद्विभागयोगो नाम षोडशोऽध्यायः।
Chapter 16, you cocksucker. 6 plus 1 is 7. Which is me, myself, and I. Your vowels again. A, E, I, O, U, AC is still running, but I'm still sweating. Full blast. It's very hot. But there is a system coming by Wednesday. My house, my room is complete. I completed the bathrooms, the water going hole. I put a small little screen over there so that when I take a shower the water goes through nice. So there is nothing to be done. Only thing I have to buy few things. One small refrigerator, one burner, and I have a cylinder, gas cylinder, and a mattress. A mattress, and I have to fix that table to put my computer in there, and also one air conditioner, which is not much necessary, but let's see if I can. Another $35,000 rupees. Why rupee and dollar is not equal? Why? Because you're Mahatma Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi Gandhi. He was what? An attorney, black coat, black tie, but a white shirt. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Salah haramzada. कुत्ता पैंचो तेरा गाड़ में मार नहीं सकता हूं, तू तो मर गए. Because you are a fucking asur. Chapter 16, cocksucker. Oh, truth. He didn't say the truth. The earth is fucking flat. Did he say that? Did Mohandas Karamchand Chandi or Gandhi? He should have said Chandi. The silver is money, but he is not. He is the only one to replace your silver and put Gandhi on there. Chandi निकाल के गांधी डाला. तेरा पेपर का, ओए तेरा पेपर का पैसा में गांधी आ गया. गांड मरा उसका. अरे चांदी चला गया और गांधी आ गया. चांदी चला गया, मेरा सर में धारण करता हो देवों की देव महादेवों. और ये गांधी आ गया तेरा चांदी निकाल के, और मैं वापस चांदी ला रहा हूं. हरामजादो, आई एम ब्रिंगिंग द सिल्वर, नॉट योर मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी. I'll be the king. I will, not shall. Not shall. There is a difference between the two words, shall and will. Okay? Shall, that you do not have any control. Somebody, it shall. They always, in English language, they say shall. The shall is right now gone. They always say will. Guess what? I'm saying will. So, I am going to do it myself. I will not care about anybody else. Because Narayan cannot do nothing. Kalki will not come. Because he came and he failed. So he said, Prabhu, please come. Please come and complete this job. Because I cannot do it anymore. So I am the fucking father of your Narayan, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma. Okay? You go and find out if I'm really his father or not. Guess what? You'll find out in time. Samay hu. I am the fucking time. What else? Baloo! Baloo! Not my son Baloo, but there is another Baloo. He's also a Baloo. He's like my son. I want to show you who is Baloo. Okay? I'll show you. I'll show you. Where is Baloo? Where is Baloo? This is Baloo. You see the Baloo? See that? Huh? Today he posted a new video. This one. See that? पंख होते तो उड़ती रे Come on, man. Dekala. Ay. पंख होती तो और आती रे. Let's play that. Okay?
Amazon Prime Video mobile.
Oh, advertisement from YouTube, cocksucker.
The time will come, Diana. Everything will be different.
वो डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं ये गाना परिवार के बहुत ही प्यार से सब लोग मिल के आनंद ले रहे हैं इस कार्यक्रम का, इसलिए आपका एक बार फिर से धन्यवाद
सुन रहे हो?
है जो कि बांसुरी पर बहुत पॉपुलर है।
वॉल्यूम इतना कम क्यों है?
उड़ाती है।
I was showing something and it crashed. Okay? पंछी होती तो उड़ आती रे. It's not पंछी होता. मैं पंछी नहीं हूं. वो पंछी है. वो उड़ना चाहते हैं. मैं नहीं. मैं स्थित प्रज्ञा हूं क्योंकि मैं कहता हूं यार मैं महादेव. वो किसी का साथ कोई लेना नहीं देना नहीं. कोई अपना नहीं कोई पराया भी नहीं. न सम्मान का मोह है न अपमान का भय है. ऐसे ही राजा ढूंढो. मैं राजा होने वाला हूं राजू. उगता हूं बेटा. राजा बेटा. 1966 27 जुलाई दशमी तिथि शुक्ला दशमी. दशम अवतार. दशम अवतार दशमी तिथि. अष्टम अवतार श्री कृष्ण. अष्टमी तिथि कृष्ण पक्ष कलियुग. ठीक है ना. सत्ययुग शुक्ल पक्ष. दशम अवतार दशमी तिथि. सावन श्रावण मास. सावन को आने दो. अब तुझे गीतों में डालूंगा. अब तुझे गीतों में डालूंगा. सावन को आने दो. सावन I'm gonna bring you happiness. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. Happiness is me, myself and I.
सावन को आने दो. सावन को आने दो. सावन को
सावन को आने दो. तो get prepared for the Sawan Mass. I'm gonna bring lot of happiness to you. नाक में कपड़ा निकाल दूंगा. कोरोना भगा दूंगा. पार्लियामेंट तोड़ दूंगा. असेंबली तोड़ दूंगा. सिल्वर, चांदी और गांधी को भगा के चांदी लाऊंगा. गांधी भगेगा, चांदी आएगा. है ना? तब क्या गाओगे बता? मैं बताता हूं. सावन की असिल धर्मेंद्र DHARMENDRA धर्मेंद्र सावन धर्मेंद्र सम हसे आया सावन. अबे मैं बांसुरी बजाने वाला नहीं हूं, मैं बैंड बजाऊंगा. बैंड. वो कृष्ण आ गया, थोड़ा बांसुरी बजा के दे के भाग गया. अबे मैं बैंड बजाऊंगा. एंड हैप्पीनेस, सुख ही सुख. सत्य युग में सुख होता है. 26 जुलाई 2014 at 3:18 PM in the afternoon. मैं आ गया यहां. आ कि नहीं? और मेरा सामने ही मैं घुमा रहा हूं. मेरा फेस का सामने ही मैं घुमा रहा हूं. क्योंकि मैं ही बर्बाद हूं. मैं ही तेरा शिव हूं. जटा जित तथा शिव. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता. देख रो रहा हूं ना. सत्यमेव जयते. असतो मा सद्गमयम् तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमयम् मृत्युमा वो मुझ पे छोड़ दे. You leave that to me. Just do the first two things. गांधी भागेगा, चांदी आएगा. Your Gandhi will be gone. Okay? And Chandi will be coming. Devo ki Dev Mahadev signing off.
Teacher.